Kids, time for dinner!
Kids,
Huh?
did you clean your rooms?
Daddy, can we clean up after dinner?
Wait, if we hold a clean Olympics, I bet you'll finish in no time.
Clean Olympics?
Yup, it's where you combine cleaning with Olympic events.
Yay! The Clean Olympics!
That sounds like fun!
Golly, the floor is covered in toys.
Baby shark! Baby shark!
Boo! Daddy Shark is here too!
It'll take forever to clean all this up.
How about we play stuffed animal hockey?
Wow! Stuffed animal hockey? Take your stand. Ready. Take out your stick. Get set. Ziggy, ziggy, zag, zag till you reach the goal. Go! 1, 2, step. 4, 5, and shoot. Take your best shot and go, 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 go! She shoots and she scores!
Wow, that was impressive! Next up is Brody!
Here comes Brody! Shoot! It's in! Woohoo! Yeah! Finn!
Oh, will Finn take a shot this time? Ahem. Finn shoots and scores!
He scores!
Oh dear, look at all this dirty laundry in Brody's room. What do you say we play basketball here?
Shoot! Shooting hoops?
That's right. We'll pretend that the laundry basket is the hoop and toss in the clothes.
Huh? Laundry basketball? Wow, that sounds like fun! Take your stand. Ready. Pick up your clothes. Get set. Wrapping round and round till you make a ball. Go. 1, 2, step. 4, 5, and shoot. Take your best shot and go, 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 go. He shoots. He scores. Wow, Brody, check out your room. Wow, I can't believe how clean it is. Is this my room? Yikes! Why are the cushions scattered everywhere?
Roar! Brody! Bora!
Yippee! Hey, this time, how about we play cushion rugby? Cushion rugby? Let's do it! Let's run together as a team till you reach the goal, go, go, go. Let's throw, pass to your teammate. Take your best shot and go, 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 go. Yeah! We're all done! I'm hungry.
Who's up for a delicious dinner?
Me!